Caesarstone had an amazing selection of product that had the colors that we wanted with a little bit of movement that gave it some interest, but it wasn't overpowering. And they were fantastic in understanding, again, the vision of what we were trying to accomplish, and their team was great at recommending products. So we got this new one coming out, how does this play into it? And so we ended up using Caesarstone throughout the house.
A lot of our designs really do kind of celebrate sort of that rustic aesthetic and very much tie into the look, the feel, and sort of the design brief for the new American Remodel. So the materials that were selected kind of pay that off, we believe, from a design perspective. And I think also the material itself, in terms of its longevity, its durability, kind of fits into the credentials of the structure and the building itself too.
In the kitchen, we wanted to have clean, smooth, very harmonious countertops that were complementary to the cabinetry.
They have this wonderful new color called Fresh Concrete. We selected because it had that more organic kind of look to it. Their product is beautifully even, but not static. It has this wonderful subtle variation to it that is very, very appealing to designers.
One of the great things about the product as well is its durability. It allows you to really live in the home and not worry about degrading the product, and you don't have to worry about spills and things as much as you would, let's say, a natural material. And so being able to use a man-made product, we know it's got recycled content, it really plays into, you know, a lot of the sustainable aspects that we're trying to do, which is use as much recycled materials as possible. So you have that, plus you've got the durability component. It was a great partner for the project.